Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot. If you guys have any of the following three vehicles, guys, I'm talking about Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram Promaster, guys, and you have a 2.4 engine, you have an oil leak from your main crankshaft seal, also known as rear crankshaft seal. Stay with us, guys. We'll explain what needs to be done to get to that seal and to replace it. If you guys need to purchase one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So the procedure we'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 engine, but practically will work on almost any engine, guys. It will not differ much. So let's start on it and show you guys, okay, what needs to be done. This is the engine right here. Let me show you what the engine looks like, okay, when it's put together now. Engine with the transmission, okay, that's what it looks like right here. This is, guys, the whole assembly. This is the engine, this is the transmission side. We have two crankshaft seals. One is known as front, okay, front seal. This is by the crankshaft pulley right here, where usually your serpentine belt is. The other seal is known as rear seal or main seal on the crankshaft right there. Okay, and you will, guys, hope that this is not your case. Why? Because if that seal goes bad, guys, you start leaking oil between the transmission and the engine, guys, and that's terrible. So what you need to do in that case? Okay, in that case, you will either need to remove your engine or transmission, or in some cases you have to remove both of them out of the car so you can separate them, because not on every car you can remove just the transmission. On some you can, on some you can't, depending how much room you have and all that stuff. Once you guys remove your transmission, this is your flywheel. Okay, and that seal is behind the flywheel. Now we'll be using, guys, a DeWalt air compressor here. It goes all the way to 165 psi, so it's really powerful for the impact. Okay, we'll need to use impact so we can remove the bolts for the flywheel right here. And if you hold usually the flywheel on the other side, the bolt on the front side where the pulley is, you can remove it that way too. Most of the times you need a 12-point socket, 17mm in our case. Perfect, and get it out. Great. Now, guys, once you remove that flywheel, you're going to get, okay, you can see right here now, you're next to the seal. Okay, that's your main, or and also known as rear crankshaft seal. So there is a special tool, guys, that is going to extract that seal out. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can do it with a screwdriver, but I wouldn't recommend it because you have to be careful not to scratch your housing or your crankshaft. So grab it. Okay, and pry it sideways and it comes out. You can see, just like that, guys. This is your main, or also known as rear crankshaft seal. That's how you guys remove it, putting it together. Everything is in reverse order with 2 kilo apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, and see you next time.